Alright, so this is my dad's old MacBook Pro. I've installed Ubuntu Budgie on it via USB, UEFI boot, and now I've done it in the OEM mode install, so I'll be giving you guys the out-of-box experience. This, if I can hit the fucking power button, it goes. Said the DVD writer. I think that for a sec. So this is booting. You can see me. Oh, now you can't because the screen just changed. This screen is reminiscent of the really old, like the Ubuntu 15.04 screen that when I first started out with Ubuntu. That's how long ago it was that I started with Linux. Ain't that the darnest thing? Let this load up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, here we go. So it's just loaded into the desktop here. Well, background anyways, it's pinwheeling. Oh, no it's not. There we go. System config. We can choose from English, Francais, Italiano, Esperanto, Deutsch. Yes, English US. Ooh, it's working. Connect to network. Yeah. Alright. Los Angeles time zone. Don't want to show you any of my passwords. Alright. Oh. Yeah, where'd it go? I lost my Wi-Fi network. There it is. Will it connect? Yes. Wait. No. Connecting, pinwheeling. Should get connected, but sometimes new stuff doesn't like my Wi-Fi. Try that again. Okay, stand by. Alright, so I couldn't get past that Wi-Fi issue, so I'm just gonna turn on the hotspot for my main laptop here, as I shall demonstrate now. It'll turn on, and once this is done doing its thing, I'll connect it to my computer's hotspot, and then just try to brute force it connect to our home Wi-Fi, which is kind of strange because my Google Chromecast, not that, like the Chromecast on the back of the TV sometimes doesn't like our Wi-Fi networks, and it has a hissy fit, and it says cannot connect to network, even though it's right there and I enter the password, but whatever. So yeah, this is the out-of-box experience of Ubuntu Budgie, and I downloaded and installed it. I originally tried to do it off of an SD card, right? This is my 32 gig SanDisk. But it seems like after a certain point, when it loads into Linux, it doesn't seem to like the SD card reader on the side here. I don't know. So it's got two USB 3 ports, SD card, USB 3, headphone, Thunderbolt 2, Firewire, Ethernet, MagSafe. They are old MagSafe, not the new one. I think it's been like 3 generations of MagSafe for the computers now. It went this MagSafe, then the wider one, then they went USB-C, that's not MagSafe, and then they went back to MagSafe for like the new M1 or M2 Max. Kind of confusing. Applying changes. This has USB-C or the DC barrel jack. I have a USB-C hub, my keyboard, and all that good stuff. Removing crypt setup. Whatever that is. Oh, drive encryption. Most likely, it is the drive encryption. I did replace the hard drive in this. It came with this one over here. It's Hitachi Global Storage Technologies one, 500 gigs. That one is, well, actually these guys were bought out by Western Digital. So now there's a WD Blue hard drive in there. Just kind of coincidence that they're both kind of WD. What is this? Unable to read blockade. Oh, it's rebooting. Hello. Password. And now I'll get to installing Chrome and Steam. You can see me here in the screen reflection. Hello. And let's see what else. Albion Online, that's a good game. It's showing the clock on the desktop. I don't think I've ever had a computer do that. Yeah. So let me, oh look, it finally connected to our home Wi-Fi. Huh. Would you look at that? So I can turn off that. And well, okay, but nah. Nah. So it has like a Mac OS style dock, but then here's your applications. Applications. Okay, so now we'll go to I'm not really a big Firefox guy or Edge, even though Edge is Chrome based. 64-bit deb for Debian/Ubuntu. Downloading up there. Come on. Okay. Close that. Close that for now. Downloads, Google Chrome stable. No, I don't want to. Why do you want to open with the freaking archiver? Software install. It's freaking weird. See, I had the same problem with another. I think because I have this dual booted with Ubuntu as well. So, actually, let me open with other application, software install, set as default, okay. So now every .deb file will open with software installer instead of archive manager. Alright, we can unplug the Ethernet now and need that. Turn off Wi-Fi, turn that back on, because it's throwing a shit fit with the home Wi-Fi. There we go. We'll disable Bluetooth for now. Chrome stable. Preparing to install the web browser from Google. That's where it puts a blinky cursor there, but you can't type anything. Interesting. Very interesting. There we go, it's installed. So now I can go and unpin Firefox from the dock. Put that there. Okay, why is the welcome page in the dock? That was like settings. You just find settings. Where the fuck is the settings? Budgie Control Center, there we go. Kind of wanted Mac OS style, but without Mac OS, because I don't like Mac OS because it's confusing. So yeah, alright, connected to my home Wi-Fi there. That's where there's three of the same one. That's the regular one, there's that one, and that one. How weird. Thunderbolt, this has This can support external GPUs over Thunderbolt. How lovely. Natural scrolling off. Tap to click, 2-finger scrolling. So now, yep, that works how it should. The normal scrolling, like a sane person. This is tripping me out. The dock is disappearing. Okay. And where's the dock? Like displays? Oh. Automatic screen lock. Never blank display. Can I set my face rate too? Only 60 Hertz. Typical 2012 MacBook. Landscape orientation. Yep. Background. Ooh. Cool. Multitasking applications. Okay, now. This turned into a long dragged up video in it. Date and time. "24-hour time format as I like it." Everything minus this is 24 hours time. Because if I try to set that to 24 hours time, it'll change the date format, it'll change the language to like British English. And I didn't like that. Tape deck, freaking hot. I have this doesn't have an aux in, so I'm using a tape cassette adapter as an aux input for my computer there. Okay. So yeah, that's weird. I wonder why the dock keeps. I see. Okay, yeah. Thunderbird mail for Lollipop. Yeah, I want Rhythm Box for that. Date and time. Okay, good. MacBook Pro, Core i5, 3210M times 4. Probably 4 cores. Intel HD graphics, 500.1 gigabytes. 22.10 Ubuntu, 64-bit, operating Windows System X11, software updates. Those are updating now. So I'd say that's about it. I can't find the settings for the dock. So yeah. Color, what's color? Ooh, it detected our printer. Just if I'm tilting the camera down, it's because I'm entering a password. So printers, HP Envy 7640 series. It's our printer, my printer in the house here. Privacy. We'll turn location services on. Yeah, I don't want it to automatically delete trash. We'll turn on location services because yeah, I need that. And displays. And nightlight, no schedule, good. Sound works good. Keyboard backlight. That's where the lower it goes, the flickerier it gets on the camera, but it's driving it weird, driving the backlight weird. Screen brightness, all the way down, all the way up. Even though in macOS you can turn the screen completely off if you just turn this completely down. It's weird. I do have a Thunderbolt 2 cable. I just woke up my computer. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah. That's the initiative because the network. I think. I don't know. It just was connected. Oh, never mind. Removable media. Okay, yeah, CD, audio. Okay, let's try putting in an SD card again. Files. No, it's not there. Doesn't even make the little software bling, bling. Most computers do. Alright, well with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.